prisons, community centers that are more like open prisons, and we are targeting to have certain categories like pregnant women and those with infants to go there. So we are coming up within the bill with several decongestion mechanisms that will also cater for some of those categories that are vulnerable to ensure that they are a bit comfortable. Besides the fact that the budget that we were given, where you see the budget that says Ministry of Justice, the bulk of that money goes to prisons and correctional services. Coming to the question on prisoners' privilege to vote, Honorable Chair, once you become a prisoner, certain rights no longer accrue to you. And within our current laws, one of those rights is the right to vote. Our prisoners, they do not have that right. So if you want a right to vote, don't commit a crime.